Junet.
Mr. Speaker, this is a very, very important matter. It's a matter of national importance, Mr. Speaker. This is a matter that is touching the lives of Kenyans, Mr. Speaker. And this is a new program that the government is implementing. And the laws that are being used to implement this program, Mr. Speaker, were passed by this House. All the laws, all the 3 sets of laws, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, 6 o'clock is the happy hour. You know where people are, members of the House, Mr. Speaker, at 6 p.m. They are somewhere there. I don't want to mention the name where they are, Mr. Speaker. There is no serious business we can discuss at 6. You know they have retreated. You know where they retreat? At 6 o'clock, Mr. Speaker. Let us give this important matter, Mr. Speaker, some good time, Mr. Speaker. Like from 4:30, I propose to 7 o'clock, Mr. Speaker. Or 5, if worst case scenario, 5 o'clock. 4, Mr. Speaker. Members are saying we discuss this matter now. Now, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I seek your indulgence, Mr. Speaker, on this matter because, Mr. Speaker, if this does not happen, Mr. Speaker, Kenyans will not know whether we are guarding them against what they are going through, Mr. Speaker. We are saying that we want time to discuss, dissect, and the chairman of the Health Committee, Dr. Pokose, must be present in the House and tell Kenyans what is the progress on this matter, Mr. Speaker, and how it is being implemented, by who, and which means, and how Kenyans are benefiting, whether Kenyans have gotten value for their money. All that must be discussed in this House today, Mr. Speaker. We want to know SHA, SHIF, SHU, SHI, all of them, Mr. Speaker, all of them.
Well said.